And problem number 4, we're asked to list some numbers in order from least to greatest. Notice we have 3.5 as a base and negative 3.5 as a base. We have some powers of 2 and some powers of 3. If you notice, the first two values have a base of negative 3.5, and the last two values have a base of 3.5, and after we raise that base to a power, we're going to multiply the result by negative 1. So let's see. If we take a look, we know that our first value is going to be a positive, because a negative 3.5 squared will be positive. Our second value will be negative, because a negative number cubed, a negative number times itself 3 times, is going to be a negative number. The third value is going to be a negative, because we're doing 3.5 squared and then multiplying the answer by negative 1. And our last value will be negative. So listing these in order from least to greatest, there's a tie for the least. Negative 3.5 squared, and that squared cubed, I'm sorry, and negative 3.5 cubed. Let's make a note here. This is a tie for the least. Okay. Now, that guy's done. This guy's done. Now we have negative 3.5 squared, and then the opposite of 3.5 squared. Well, the opposite of 3.5 squared is going to be a negative value, because we would square 3.5 first and then multiply by negative 1. And our greatest value is going to be negative 3.5 squared. And this is the list of values in order from least to greatest. Remember, it makes a difference when you're taking negative bases to an even power, and it makes a difference whether you have parentheses around the base or not. So just be careful when you have problems that involve negative signs. Hopefully this helped. Thanks for watching the video.